Excel enthusiastic, welcome back to the channel. So in today video we will learn how to get a cumulative sum of any data. So suppose, what is cumulative? Suppose for 2022 I want like how much sales has been done till 2022. So all these three numbers would get added. So how to do that? What we will do, we will apply to the new function which is offset. So we will give reference as a year, then row is this like first row, column is first one, and height is 1. And now near width will apply match formula. We'll give reference as this year, and you will select this data and exact match. Okay, wait. Oh, I forgot to give here comma. So you can see how the data has appeared, but we want cumulative, like total. So what we will apply here is sum function. So it will calculate all for us. It will do all sum for us. So in this way you can do sum. So in this way you can see total sum till 2024 and 125 3597 it is. We apply offset and match function to get results for cumulative sum. So if you like our video, please keep following Excel app for more such Excel content. Thank you.